children, good morning. Children, now we are learning two-letter words. Now you know the meaning of two-letter words. Two-letter words are those words which have two letters. Let's see today's two-letter words. O, X, ox, ox. O, F, f, off. O, N, on. O, R, or. We have learned two-letter words. Now we are going to learn MI Kids Book Level 1 First Term. Let's sound part. Let's see lesson number 1, Monty the Monkey. Page number 2. Capital M, small m. Sound is monkey. Monkey. Articulation exercises help children attend to the differences in mouth formation when making sounds. So parents, please take care of that. While saying letter M sound, your child's lips should be closed like in this picture. Say the sound of letter M and fill in the blank. Say the word again. Melon. What's this? Melon. So what we are going to write here? Sound of letter M. And what's its sound? Means we have to write letter M. Well done, children. The sound of letter M is mouse. So children, what you are going to write here? Correct. Letter M. Mouse. Correct. Say it again. Mouse. Well done, children. What's this, children? Yes, it's a moon. Children, what's the first sound? So what we are going to write? Letter M. So get ready to write letter M, children. Write M there. What's it? Moon. 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 Correct. What's this, children? Yes, it's a mango. Children, what's the first sound of this word? Yes. So, what should we write here? Correct. Letter M. So, let's write letter M. Mango. Mango. Okay? Well done, children. Clap for yourself, children. Now, children, we are going to sing a small rhyme. Are you ready for that? Oh, you are excited. So let's start. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Okay, once again we will revise it, okay? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Very good, children. Clap for yourself. Thank you, children. Bye. Stay home, stay safe.